Hello and welcome back. Today I filmed a pink look to match my newly updated pink office. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to prime my eyelids. Starting with the shade Cuddle from the Makeup Revolution x Fortnite Cuddle Team Leader palette in the outer corner and through the crease. Over the last 3 weeks I've been doing a lot of work in this room to get it looking nice. Check my shorts tab for the before and after video. Going on the middle to outer lid with the hot pink metallic shade Fur. These metallic shades apply best with your finger, they'll have the most impact. Going on the inner corner with the baby pink shade Matcha Power, blending it with the hot pink. Using the Maven Cosmic Drip, Stargate Quad Shadow in the top right as a sparkle topper. Using the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Primer. My face is combination, so if I don't moisturize, my makeup will look cakey. Using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to cover dark circles and redness. I'm so glad this room is basically done. There's random little things and I want to decorate more, but I'm actually able to film again. I definitely didn't intend on taking off 3 weeks from filming. For foundation, I'm using a half and half mixture of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110. I actually ended up getting a tan, so my foundation is too light. It's okay, I'll fix it with bronzer. Using the e.l.f. Camo Blush in Dusty Rose, blending it out with a brush to keep it focused where I want it and to keep it super pigmented. Since I painted this room a neutral, softer pink, I'm planning on decorating with different shades of pink and making it really cute. Baking with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder in Light with the powder puff, pressing it onto my under eyes and into my pores and where I get oily. Since it's in shade light and I have a slight tan, I don't want to use it all over or I'll look ghostly. Lightly setting the rest of my face with a fluffy powder brush with the Coty Airspun powder in translucent, then dusting off the excess powder. These two powders work really well at smoothing out pores and keeping my makeup from breaking up. Bronzing with the Revolution x Fortnite Face Palette to warm up my face so it matches with the tan on my chest and arms. I think this is the first time I have gotten a tan on my face or body in years. Adding the blush topper from the same face palette to brighten the blush back up and add a golden glow. Highlighting with the ColourPop Just a Flush Cheek palette was so healthy. This is a sparkly putty highlight, so it applies best with your hands. Framing my bottom lash line with the shades Cuddle, Fur and Matcha Power. Lighter on the inner third, darker on the outer third. Blending everything into each other for a gradient effect. Highlighting the inner corner with the ColourPop Face Palette. Lightly filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. I've missed filming so much. Comment some stuff you want to see. Setting my brows in place all day with the clear e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel. Using a DIY mattifying setting spray to lock in my makeup all day. Lining and tight. Lining my eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I finally opened the brand new one I bought like 2 months ago. I decided it was a great time to pop open a new one. There's just something about a new tube of mascara. I did curl my lashes beforehand, but I forgot to film it. Lining and filling in my lips with the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Pencil in Pinky Promise. These are such a good formula. They're creamy and smooth and don't tug on dry skin. Topping it with the e.l.f. Faux Face Satin Lipstick in Dirty Talk. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.